Hey guys, it's part 3. Today we're going to learn about bird poop. So, birds usually stay in their nest for part 2, but we're learning about part 3. So birds fly in the sky, you know. When they need to go potty, they drop poop on the sky. And if you go outside, sometimes the poop lands on your head. Birds go everywhere and find worms, eat worms, and anything they did. Either way, some birds have different colors. Yeah. Stay well for part 4. Bye. It's part 4. It's part 4, yo. Today we're gonna sing a song. Birds,
always poop on your head. It's so bad. It's your not lucky day. Bro, that's a bird day. Only birds poop on your head, not humans, okay?
Okay.
Birds always poop on your head, and you don't literally like it. Birds always poop on your heads. Birds always poop on your bed. Right there is a bird, bro. There's some birds over there. Yo. Be careful, cause they might poop on your head, bro. Okay, guys, that's the song called Poop on Your Head.
This song's called All About Bird Songs.
Okay, let's see it.